Developing a new drug from scratch takes over a decade on average and costs billions of dollars. For patients living with chronic neuropathic pain, that timeline is not just inconvenient. It is devastating. Millions of people suffer daily while the pharmaceutical pipeline crawls forward at a pace that has not fundamentally changed in decades. This paper presents an end-to-end AI pipeline for designing antibody-drug conjugates, or ADCs, that target chronic neuropathic pain. Let me explain what that means. The pipeline covers everything from computational discovery of new drug targets through molecular design optimization to preparing candidates for clinical translation. Deep learning drives each stage of the process. Here is what makes antibody-drug conjugates special as a drug class. Think of them as precision-guided missiles at the molecular level. An antibody homes in on a specific target cell, then delivers a drug payload directly to that cell. The challenge is that designing them involves millions of possible combinations of antibodies, chemical linkers, and drug payloads. That combinatorial complexity is where AI excels. The deep learning models in this pipeline identify novel pain-associated biological targets that researchers might not have found through traditional methods. Then they optimize which linker-payload combinations are most likely to work. What would normally take years of painstaking laboratory synthesis and testing, the AI explores computationally in a fraction of the time. That compression of the design phase is the real value here. The important caveat: this is computational work. The AI generates promising drug candidates on a computer. The actual clinical translation, meaning testing these candidates in humans through phase 1, 2, and 3 trials, is still ahead. AI can dramatically accelerate drug design, but it cannot skip the safety and efficacy testing that patients deserve. If this kind of drug discovery AI perspective is useful to you, like and subscribe. We translate complex AI research into practical insights for clinicians and researchers every day. The full episode with all the molecular design details is on the channel.